Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to take a screenshot using Google Assistant. If you want to take a screenshot using Google Assistant, so let's see how can I do this. First you just have to install this app on your phone. So you just open Play Store and go for search bar. You just have to search for Google Assistant. Just search for it and you will get this app. You just have to install it as I have already installed the app. So now go back, just open the app and it will open this type pop-up menu. So now let's see what you have to do. You just have to keep a long press on the power button and here you just have to say take a screenshot. Just tap on mic and you just say hey Google take a screenshot and now it will take a screenshot of your screen. So that's how you can easily take a screenshot by using your Google Assistant. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.